I'm begging you, hands off Gabriella. Gabriella, hands off Gabriella, la la. Back off on my fella. Gabriella, back off Gabriella, la la. Yeah, who? You could have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you, hands off Gabriella. Gabriella, hands off Gabriella, la la. La 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 la.
Okay, guys. Another one. Let's start another one. I'm begging you. Let's try this one. Oh my god, they have K-pop Demon Hunters. They have, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm scared. Hindi na makalaya. Tinatalo mo ko. Ay, na lang yun. Pangit yun. Madami ah. I was a ghost, I was alone, huh? To a gin, huh? Just to get. Sure.
Done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe. We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're glowing, gonna be golden. Oh, up, 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 with our voices. You wanna kick it to woman, gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be.
Ano ko? Parang masira, no? Ano ng game na to?
Done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe. We're going.
Pag sabi ko mag-go-go ka, hindi ka nag-go-go, so kung nalang ka, kasi pangit ka, no? Go back to spawn. Ay, hindi magbalik ng spawn. Sige, mag-ilans na lang tayo. Ay, ayun. It's raining tacos. Number 1 party anthem. Let's go. Ay, matulog na naman. Katikin ko na yun yung ano ko. Na, isa ka pa.
Come on, number one party anthem. Come on, before the moment's gone. Number one party anthem. Yeah. The look of love, the rush of blood, the she's with me's, the Gallic shrub,
Uy,
the shirts of bones.
sama ni, uy. Bakit naman? Pangit naman, Zay, uy. Amo yung chai. Sino nag-chai dyan? Painumin mo naman ako ng chai, Zay. Saan? Wait lang. Wala, nahulog. Ay, wait lang. Wait lang. Uy. Saan ba di? Not over there.
Come on.
Kakatikot na yun yung cellphone. Parang ano ng game na to ah. Nangasar sa akin ah. Come on.
Number one party anthem. Come on.
Before the moment's gone. Number one party anthem. Yeah. The look of love, the rush of blood. When she's with me. Na lang.
The shirts of bones.
Na lang. Ano lang game na to? Nangahasar sa akin. Wait lang. Go.
Come on.
Come on. before the moment's gone. Number one, party anthem.
Yeah, yeah.
The look of love, the rush of blood.
The she's released, the galaxy.
Huwag na lang itong game na to, guys. Huwag na lang. Huwag na lang na ano na to, ano na ako sa Tagalog ko. Huwag mo na ngang araluin to, guys. Pangit tong games na to. Hindi maayos, guys. Take it, rumba. Something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Kahit nagkanta ako, nag-ano ka pa rin.
She looks just like a dream, the prettiest girl
Oh my goodness.
I've ever
Whee!
seen.
Kakatingin ko, sisirain ko na yung cellphone ito. Oh my gosh.
She
Pagod.
looks just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen.
Dalian mo, kuya, sising mo.
On the cover of a magazine.
Yun lang, seryoso, ang kunti-kunti. Kunti-kunti lang, guys. Nag-respawn pa ako. Go back to lobby. Ayaw ko yun. Pangit. May roomie dyan. Ano? Anong aanahin? Remember the rain.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by, and I'll tell without a thought you'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. Imagine me fall in love on that buttery moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart
Look, Candy.
with your
Oh my goodness, I love Candy. Thank
so
you so much.
let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Oh, imagine we fell in love on a under moon. Okay, guys, that picture that we saw up there, if you guys can see that, if you guys can be able to see that picture, it's
Oh
my God.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like. Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars.
go. Ko alam kita yung na yun. Ang cute. Your
morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by, and I'll tell without a thought you'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. Imagine we fall in love on that buttery moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your hair, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
cute. Wow. Oh, I love it. Guys, it's so cute. Like, puntahin natin yung picture na yun. bugs. Lo. Ano man yun? Go. Basta na yung picture. Ano na yung picture? Ananahin. Ananahin na yan. Let's see. Oh, ay, wait lang. Back up. Oh, it's so cute. Bacon with bacon. Oh, how cute. Char, how cute. Okay, guys. I was a ghost. My little soda pop. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my soda. Oh, I love it. Look. Besh, Vaxulave. Hindi na makalaya. Dinadal more core bar. How can we go back to being friends? Sure.
Touch my body tender,
Oh, tender.
'cause I feel it makes me weak.
Uy, naman ka, diba?
Kicking off the cover,
Ito yun mo, ano ka ba?
I see the ceiling.
Ang asat talaga yung ginto sa akin. Ano, ungog no lang.
Touch my body tender, 'cause I feel it makes me weak. Now I'm shining like I'm on a cover. I see the ceiling while you're looking down at me.
Kaya ang pangit yung
How
pangit.
can we go?
Shut up. Be quiet. Be quiet your mouth.
Don't hide it now. I'm shining like I'm born to be.
Wait lang, wait
We're
lang.
dreaming hard, we came so far. Don't hide it now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far. Now I believe we're going up, up, up until I'm moving. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up until our voices. You wanna kiss us to woman. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, what time there's no night.
Guys, natakot ako talaga dun. Nahulog ako, guys. Alam mo, na lang tayo magkaroon ng ngayon. Pangit ng game ng answer sa akin, guys. Hindi pa siya slay. Slay! Oh my god. I'm done hiding now. Guys, I'm so sweaty. Tapos may bangs pa ako. Oh my goodness! Ang hirap ng buhay. Sure. Let us play this horse. We will ride a horse. Or I will the rice will hold me. The rice will hold me. The horse will hold me, will ride me. So I'm going to ride the horse. Loading assets. Wala na yan, skip na yan. Pangit. Skip na nga, diba? Skip. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Guys, ang tinan body ko. Hello, hindi ano yun? Sino yan? Di ako din. Magra-ride ako. Ay, dangerous pala yun. Hello? Saan yung mga gagawin, be? Paano ka magra-ride, be? Look. Shoot. Hey, Zai. Shoot. Uy. Sorry, ma'am. Haha. Ano to? Huwag nilang Zai. How to ride the thing? How to ride? How to ride? Sir, how to ride na nga, sir. Sir, wait lang. Hintayin mo naman. Nangasar si sir. Trails, hindi yan maganda yung imong trails, sir. Uy. Belge. Na. Kapag nangasar sa akin. Ay, uy. Where's my freaking horse? I'm trying to get my literal horse, tapos wala yung horse. Wala, nag-climb na lang ako, guys. Baba man yung horse ko. Uy. Man yung horse ko. Ay, andito pala yung horse ko. Oh. Uy, be. Uy. Ate, wait lang na nga, diba? Saan man si ate, uy. Go. Let's get on the horse. Ano to? How to go? Uy, wait lang. Tumigil. Kalma ka. Parang nagbaback up, ah. Be, wait lang. Go. Tumigil. Stop. Go. Go. Woo! Ay, wait lang. Saan ka pupunta? To the moon, malamang. Sana. Lo. Jai. Wait lang. Uy. Sabi ko na ate, humintay ka na. Go. Paano ba to? Raluin. Hindi ko man alam na. Paano sa mong raluan, no? Go. Yay! Okay, wait lang. Bakit ka papunta dyan? Saan ka ba papunta? Paano ko isasakyan yung yung horse ko? Ay, ang galing niya. Guys, ang galing ng horse ko. Hello, Jai, ang galing ng horse ko. Huwag ka tumama sa mga iba. Poor sila. Hala, ayun, no. Jai, umalis ka, Jai. Pangit. Wait lang. Okay, we're ready. We're steady. We're ready. Hala, Jai. Saman ka, oy, Jai? Kaglakad-lakad sa imong pinakalakalan. Ano sinasabi ko? Dalian mo. Saan ka pa ba papunta? Malamang pera mo. Saan pa? Wait lang, ito ba yung right way, guys? Wait. Hintay. Stop it. Stop it. Saan ako pumunta? Saan naman ako pumunta? Kung circle to, guys, hindi ako laralo. Okay, wait lang. Saan ka ba punta? Okay, nag-jump siya. Magaling. Wait lang. Magaling siya kanina. Pero hindi siya magaling na yun. Kasi nangasar siya, eh. Dodgin mo yan. Ay, dodgin. Uy, kamunti ka na mahulog, Zay. Kamunti ka na mahulog, Zay. Wait lang, kamunti ka na. Wait lang. Stop the freak. Ay, pwede pa pala tayo makalakad ng konti. Ay, ate girl. Saan ka pa patunta? Go. Fuck! Mga na ako. I am so pro. Okay, go here. So guys, ang pro ko na. Lalaroin ko to everyday. Everyday ko dyan. Okay. Wait lang. Dalian mo. Uy, kumuntik na tayo mahulog and die. Huwag ka mag-nandun yun. Jump. Mag-jump ka, no? Sabi ko. Mag-jump. Go. Go, Mario. Wait lang. Ate, saan ka pupunta? Ate, wait lang. Saman ka, ate? Uy. Labat ka naglalakad. Punta. Uy. Uy, 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 uy. Ate, wait lang, ate. Saan ka, ate, uy? Hindi man ka bala, uy. Lo. Saan man si ate? Ayaw ko na lang itong game. Lo. Wala si ate. Nawala yung Jude. Nasaan ka? Okay, go. Guys, ang sweaty ko talaga, guys. Oh my goodness. Si ate, puro ng bump na hindi pa pwede mag-stop ng bump. Dalian mo, ate. Diyos ko. Dugay mo naman. Okay, guys. Ready? Oh! Nagigil talaga ako sa game na to. Ang hirap. Mo, guys. Pro ko talaga. Woo! And Zay, kamunti ka na mahulog, Zay. Wait lang, ate, tumigil ka. Okay, let's go. Wow! Thank you, Kateki. Anong thank you, Kateki? Wala naman Kateki dito, guys. Okay, if we want to break, we will break. Okay, we will break. Diyos ko po, ate. Sabi ko na nga, we will break, di ba? Go, climb, ate. Mag-climb ka kasi ayaw ko sa'yo. Isang sar ka pa eh. Anuhin ko kita. Lulutuin ko kita, be. Kung hindi ka Tigil. Pro na ako sa game na to, guys. Lo. Uy. Tigil ka. Okay, saan na tayo pupunta? Ay, dun pala. Tara, let's go, Mimi. Guys, nagbago ako ng name. Mimi_Mimi. So, gusto niyo ako i-friend. Search mo, Mimi_Mimi. Yung nakapula na hair. Yan. Uy. Oh, sino ka? Sino kong mag-aasal? Uy! Okay. Hindi ko na pwede anuhin. I'm like literally not touching like the go button or itong button. Nagantulo ko lang yung screen ko. Uy! Lumakad ka. Batang tigil. Ang batang mo lumakad. Dangerous pala tong game na to. Ang hirap ng game. Pero totoo naman. Okay. Jump halite. Sabi ko na nga, jump halite, no? Jump halite. Tingnan mo, andito na naman tayo. Kunsa man ka, uy, ate, girl. Okay, max speed 16 ounces. Anong 16 ounces? Wait lang. Humintay ka dyan. Ano to? Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin yung makabili natin ng horse. Ano to? Price. Unsa ni? Uy. Robux. Unsa? Robux talaga. Robux. Ano ka ba? Lo. Ano sa niya? Uy. Ang mahal neto dahil. Huwag na lang. Ayaw ko na lang sa'yo. No? Wait lang. Can I ride? This one? No, I cannot. Okay, let's go. Poki. Natatakot ako sa horse na to eh. Ang asar sa akin. Jump pulite. Uy! Mali. Go. Uy! Jump to leche. Wait lang. Okay. I'm doing good, guys. I will name the horse Jump Polete. Kasi kanina, sinasabi ko siya, Jump Polete. So, malamang pangalan ko siya, Jump Polete. So, yeah. Nice naman. Kung totoo to, mahuhulog talaga ako sa mundo. Like, malamang, ano pag gagawin ko? Ano, mag-fly? Social! Bantuhin ko talaga yung horse ko na papunta dito sa mga high na things. Ito naman to, day. High na lugar. Hindi ko talaga pupuntahin. Kasi, malamang dangerous, no? Tapos mamamatay ako kasi kung mabilis yung horse ko, tumakbo na lang siya yung sarili niya para hindi ako mamatay. Char. Okay, so we're in the part that we died. Didn't we died? Oh, I'm scared. Okay, saan na ako pupunta? Guys, non-stop to. Uy, wait lang. Wait lang, Jump Polete. Jump Polete, wait lang, Jump Polete. Wait lang, Jump Polete. Go, Jump Polete. Jump Polete, go. Okay, guys. Ay, wait lang, nangasar siya. Maraming tubig na nahuhulog. Ang grabe yung nahuhulog na tubig sa aking forehead.
Ay, maganda yung anak ko.
Hindi.
Pumunta ako ng dyan, no?
Dali, ano mo dyan, day? Okay, let's go. Uy!
Na ako bukado nila sa pagdating ko sa Kamayan, tuwang-tuwa ako as a driver. Sos, pag kilo, Mexico pala yun. 3KD 900. Uy, cancel. Ang pera ko 2KD lang.
Ang tubig naman sa guys. Oh my goodness, I'm here in the part that is the part. Wait. I am here in the part that is the part that I will not do. The part is the part.
Ngayon doon, hindi kagandahan. Pero okay lang.
Hello guys. Guys, nag-winning talaga ako. Okay. Nagiging dusty na. At naman. Bakit? Saan ba tayo pupunta? Ano, sa Dubai? Jump! Wala, anong pala yun? Jump, Polete. Hello? Si Jump Polete. Guys, si Jump Polete. Hindi nag-jump. Si Jump Polete. Bye guys.